In today's video, I'm back with another hair video where I'm going to show you how to moisturize your hair using cactus water. Superstar, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maryam Kapama. If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome, and please subscribe to my channel. If you're a returning supporter, regular watcher, day one subscriber, everyday supporter, I so much appreciate you for tuning in. Thank you very much for coming back. And if you're new here, superstar, I see you, you see me, but I want to see you click the subscribe button so you become part of the family, so you can grow your hair longer, thicker, healthier, and voluminous together. That means in today's video, I prepared you cactus water for super fast hair growth. This unusual plant is super powerful for growing your hair longer, thicker, and it's the best moisturizer you can ever use to your hair. My hair is loving it. As you can see the goodness that it has done to my hair. My hair is really soft, manageable, bouncy, and easy to handle. Like, I love this water. I use as a leave-in conditioner and sometimes as a detangler. You can use it whatever you want. Just be sure to adjust it to your hair regimen. However, if growing your hair longer, thicker, healthier, and voluminous is your goal, then you belong to this channel. So be sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and let me know what next you want to see from me. Be sure to watch this video to the very end because Cactus leaf has a bunch of healthy benefits, but did you know cactus also has incredible benefits for your hair? Cactus, or the tuna plant, has been used as a natural remedy for natural hair in many different cultures around the world. Cactus has many potential benefits for your hair due to its high nutrient content. Benefits include promotion of soft, strong, healthy hair and scalp. Also, faster hair growth and less hair loss. It can even reverse heat damage as well as protect your hair from the sun. Cactus are sources of vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A. Also contain iron, calcium, potassium, and omega-3. Cactus is high in fatty acid, which are great for hair growth and hair development. Vitamin E works as an antioxidant that fights free radicals. Cactus contain amino acid which stimulate collagen production, it makes your hair soft. Cactus plant is great at storing moisture. It's kinda slippery and one of the best moisturizer you can find for your hair due to its high content in vitamins. Cactus coats your hair follicles with a layer of protection, making your hair soft, strong, and shiny. It also protects your hair and prevents it from falling out, growing and maintaining the health of your hair. The omega fatty acid is vital for the hair growth and renewal and helps your hair to stop falling out. It's great for your scalp. A big reason cactus is good for preventing hair fall is the fact that cactus is great for your scalp. Due to its high content in fatty acid and vitamin E, it will protect and moisturize your scalp and stop itchiness and going to fortify your hair follicles. It can make your hair grow faster. A healthy scalp equals to healthy hair, and since cactus is great for the scalp and the fatty acid in cactus are also important for hair growth and development, cactus may also encourage hair to grow faster. It helps to protect your hair from the sun. The amino acid contained in cactus stimulates collagen production, thus promote faster cell turnover. Collagen does not only keep your skin firm and young-looking, superstar, it also helps to protect it from the sun. The same goes to the hair and your scalp as well. For treating heat-damaged hair, just like aloe vera, cactus is natural moisturizer perfect for restoring hydration to dry, sun-parched hair. Jamaican women use this cactus for this very purpose. using it as a hair mask to restore moisture and softness. It's 100% natural. One of the major benefits of cactus is, of course, it's totally natural. This is what sets this remedy apart from many other hair care products, which strips off moisture out of your hair. Cactus is 100% natural and it's gentle to your scalp and hair. Superstar the numbers of ways that you can use to implement this cactus plant and reap the benefits to your hair. It can be used as a detangler, as a co-wash, as a conditioner, as a hair mask, or even a leave-in conditioner. Cactus DIYs are the best. They're incredible and perfect for deep moisturizer for dry, damaged, and brutal. In today's video, I'm back with another hair video where I'm going to show you how to moisturize your hair using cactus water. This cactus water, this is the instant cactus water, and also I'm going to show you how to use this on your hair. As you can see, my hair is fresh from a protective style. I had a African threading method done on my head, so I just unravel the threads. And now superstar, we're going to need the juice itself and some clips to section the hair. So since my hair is in huge sections, I'm just going to tie and leave a section that I'm going to be working with, like so. So this will help me so this is what I'm going to be working with. Taking a mini section of my hair and like, comment down below, and be sure to share it if you can. If you haven't subscribed until this point, please go ahead and subscribe. Other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video.